Alright guys, so today we're reviewing, so I don't know if I'm going to say this right, probably not, but REUZEL. This is for your hair, for a guy's hair. First time ever using this, first time gonna be actually slicking my hair back for the very first time. So I don't know how this is gonna look, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. So let's open up, show you guys what it looks like. This was a product that was recommended to me. All right, let's give this a try. And for a reference, as you guys can see, that is my hair. Probably wasn't enough. All right, so you put it in your hair. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's actually working really well. And then you comb it. I don't think that we had enough though. From what I gather, put it in and you comb it. So I don't know if we're doing it right. I don't think I put enough in. So with this being my first time using this, and first time actually slicking my hair back, I'm sure there's some secrets. I'm sure combing your hair first or something is probably key. Yeah, now I gotta get used to my hair pattern as well, because as you guys can see while I'm doing this. Okay, so I don't know what I did. I have no idea what I'm doing, if I did it right or half right or completely wrong. I'm not quite sure, but as far as the product goes, for me doing this my first time, it's staying back. So I'm impressed with the product. I don't know if how I did it is actually right or not. If my hair is too long or too, I don't know. I don't know anything. So yeah, just was recommended this and I thought I'll give it a shot and give it a try. And yeah, so I'm happy with the product. We'll just have to see, you know, I gotta check out videos and see how to really fully do it and the best method. But yeah, product works amazing. As you guys can see, an amateur, first time ever combing my hair back, ever. This is the first time my hair has ever been this long, and first time for a lot of things. So I'm happy with the outcome so far.